Audience feedback has been a vital part of developing my short film. I firstly addressed my audience about their opinions when coming up with my initial idea. By asking my target audience about my idea and what they think I can add to it, I was able to see what memories should arise in the film. The conclusion was that they should be relatable to a wide range of audience members, which is why I decided to research the main reasons as to why people might end up in the same position as my protagonist was in. I found that different types of audience research assisted me in different ways. For example, I found that a focus group helped when I was trying to think of what my audience would like to happen in the plot, as they each developed and discussed their ideas with one another. I went through a similar process when trying to create my poster. I found early on that it was best to ask my audience members individually what I should change about my poster. Overall, this largely assisted in developing my work as I was able to see what most appealed to my audience. I asked my target audience whether the film title should be in blue or black. My audience chose to have it in black due to the fact that it stood out more. From this, I was able to learn that when advertising my film, it is important that it is as bold as possible. Audience research is to ensure that my audience will enjoy my film and get something out of it. Early on in this process of developing my film idea, I decided that my film would serve a similar purpose as one like The Perks of Being a Wallflower and Cyberbully. Both are teenage dramas, but they also raise awareness of serious issues and educate the audience on these issues. Therefore, although I wanted my audience to be entertained by the genre and plot, I also wanted them to learn about the position so many young teenagers are in and the difficulties they face. I ensured that this message was carried out well by showing a draft of my short film and asking them their opinion on the message. My main concern was that people could take offence from my film, and therefore by asking my audience their opinion, I could change what the audience disliked. After asking my audience about their opinions of my animatic, my main target was to add diegetic sound. At first, I was unsure about this, as I liked the idea of the music being the most prominent sound. However, after adding in my developed animatic, I found that I much preferred the diegetic sound, and it made the music seem less repetitive. Overall, I tried to ask my audience's opinion as much as possible, from coming up with my initial ideas to asking opinions on my second to last edits. All the feedback I got from my audience, good and bad, was helpful to come up with my finished products.